Welcome to Lanark Village and S&R Seniors Living. Here, dining is more than just a meal. Residents gather daily in our bright dining room to enjoy delicious home-style menus prepared by our in-house chef and dedicated culinary team. Afterwards, relax by the fire with neighbors and friends. Catch the big hockey game, share a laugh, or settle in for this week's featured movie. Outdoors, our lush gardens, walking paths, and quiet conversation nooks are the pride of Lanark Village. These green spaces invite you to pause, to connect, and to enjoy the beauty of every season. Whether you're taking a stroll, visiting with a friend, or simply soaking in the fresh air, nature is always just steps away. Surrounded by the natural beauty of Forest Heights and Kitchener, every day offers the chance to relax, refresh, and thrive. These simple moments of joy and togetherness are what make life here so special. At S&R Seniors Living in Lanark Village, we offer more than a place to live. Here, caring isn't just what we do. It's who we are.